Our answer is x squared minus 2 plus 2 over 3x minus 7, right? That answered the first part of my question, where it said divide, or the first part of the instructions. It said divide the polynomials using the appropriate method. We found the appropriate method, which was regular long division. And state, there's a part 2, and state whether each divisor is a factor. Whether each divisor, what's our divisor? 3x minus 7 is a factor. Now, I'm gonna tell you it's not a factor. It's not a factor because we ended up with a remainder. If we didn't have a remainder, this would be a factor, okay? 3x minus 7 would be a factor. And our answer, just imagine that there's no remainder, our answer would be the second part of our factor. So we could factor this long polynomial, 3x cubed minus 7x squared minus 16 plus, minus 6x plus 16. I could have factored that, 7x squared minus 6x plus 16. That would have been the same thing as doing my answer, which is my quotient, x squared minus 2, times my divisor, 3x minus 7. But because we ended up with this remainder of 2, and it didn't go into this whole polynomial evenly, this does not equal this. This is not the factor of this, okay? If there was no, this is not the factor of this, okay? If there was no remainder, then yeah, it would be a factor. But because there's a remainder of plus 2 over 3x minus 7, it's not a factor. So we just answer the second part.